going to draw and color 4 super cute nail polish bottles with fun shapes. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. Let's start by drawing the first nail polish bottle. Draw a tall rectangle with a round cap on top. Now, let's add a star shape right in the middle of the bottle. This is going to be a star-studded nail polish. Great job! Now, let's draw the second nail polish bottle. This one will be a bit shorter and wider. Draw a cute heart shape in the middle. Isn't that adorable? Cool! Now, let's draw the third bottle. This one will be tall and slim. In the center, let's draw a pretty flower with petals. This nail polish is blooming with style. Awesome! Last but not least, let's draw the fourth bottle. This one will be a little square-shaped. Draw a lovely leaf shape in the center. So fresh and natural. Our bottles look fantastic. Now, let's make them pop by outlining everything with a bold black marker. Look at how awesome they are now! Now it's time to bring our nail polish bottles to life with some rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, your nail polish bottles look amazing! If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us again for more creative fun. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.